Hi everyone, this is Billy. I am designing a new type of accessories that you can print using a 3D printer. Then get some 20mm PVC pipes and connect them together like what you see here to become a frame for a big loop coil for crystal radios. The size of the big loop coil can be determined by the length of the PVC pipe. The one at the bottom will extend to a base that you can mount on a more stable wooden board to stand up as a big loop coil. The whole setup can be detached and transported to your testing site and reassembled very easily. Subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about crystal radios and other DIY projects. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Billy C DIY.